guys, and thanks for stopping by my channel again for another video. It's your girl Slay LT, and we are back for another video. This video is actually going to be a very small haul from Shein. It's just two pieces that I picked up. I was actually going to order off of another haul that I had, but these are two very cute pieces, and it came yesterday. As you guys know, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of Shein hauls. I've done Boohoo hauls. I've done Chic, Cheek Me hauls. I've done Ashley Stewart hauls. I've done New York and Company hauls. I pretty much do a lot of clothing hauls. This one is going to be very small. And again, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Turn your notification bells on so you are aware when I do post a new video. And let's just get right into it, because I am trying to keep this under 10 minutes today, and I always go over, but I'm going to try to keep this under 10 minutes because I do need to clean out my camera, the space of my camera. I've already taken the items out of the bag. I wanted to make it very quick, but I have a shirt, a long sleeve shirt with the same print on it already, but I decided to get the short version for the spring summertime, which I thought was super cute. It's basically one of these white tops you can kind of throw on with some jeans. Super cute. I bought this in a extra large. If you guys know Shein, it's kind of up and down with their sizes, because you kind of have to purchase a lot of sizes through Shein to know how their sizes work. Typically, I would order a 1XL with a stretch. And I know that's kind of weird to say, but this does not stretch at all. And I kind of wanted it to have just like a little looser top. I could have went with a 1XL. If I did, it would have been extremely large. I am not top heavy at all, guys. I have really small breasts. They are going south a little bit. And again, if you guys haven't already subscribed to my channel, you will know that I am on a weight loss journey. Kind of up and down. The winter months has been like, I have gotten back in the gym. I started strength training, so with that, it's kind of frustrating because I do see my weight fluctuating. I realize that it is muscle weight. I don't want to bulk up so much, but I decided to go with the smaller size just because I know that I am going to lose weight if need be. I am a seamstress as well, so I do have some kind of knowledge as to how to sew and fix clothing and stuff like that. So if need be, with this shirt right here, I can actually just go in and take that up a few on the side. It's very simple to do. Also with the scraps, I don't think that I will have to, because these are adjustable scraps, so I can just kind of slide them up and down. And that's pretty much it. I did want it to be kind of like flowy. I didn't want it to be so tight per se. So that is that. And again, those will go good really, those will be cute. It will go really good with some jeans, some wide leg jeans, even some straight leg jeans with some heels. If you want to go flat casual, that's fine too. But I did buy that. And again, I do have a shirt, a long sleeve shirt. If you guys haven't already seen my videos, go back in the videos. It's in one of those Shein hauls. It's exactly like that, but it has a crisscross, and the sleeves are a little bit belled. I don't think they have the padded. I don't think those have the pads in it, but those will also go good in the spring, summer months with some jeans as well. So the second item, if you guys have ever purchased from Shein, you know that all of their handbags does come in a dust bag. That's one thing I love about Shein. It doesn't matter what type of bag you purchase. I literally purchased like a small bag, which I'm probably going to give to one of my little G's, because it's really small. I thought it was a little bigger than what it was, and I'm a big advocate of review reading. So, and I had the bag upside down. I'm gonna show you guys in a minute, but I like to read the reviews first, and the reviews were kind of split in half. A lot of people said the bag was small. A lot of people said the bag was a normal size bag, cute for, you know, if you're just going out to brunch or something like that. Just throw your keys in there, your cell phone, your wallet, and you're on your way. But for me, it's extra, extra small. It's a cute pattern, and it's a denim bag. I showed in another video. I might post a picture at the end of this video. But if you have not seen any of my videos, go back to some of my Shein videos, and you'll see the haul that I did with that bag. What else did I want to say? Yeah, so let me just get right into this. I'll show you guys this right quick. And this bag is super cute, y'all. Look at the design. And this one only had a few of them left. I was going to wait and hold off on ordering this bag, but I was like, you know what? I don't want to miss out, because Shein, you can definitely put something in your cart, go in there hours later, and it's gone. So you have to be kind of quick. If you see something that you're really, really passionate about purchasing, go ahead and purchase it then. I did not want to come up off the money to purchase this bag. I think this bag was 18, it was 22. But then with my discount, it came down to $18, I believe, which is not bad at all. If you guys can see the detail in this bag, I have the I still have the protector over my metal, but it opens up like this, and this bag is heavy. The material is very heavy. It's not a light bag. They might have a few pieces left, and this is the chain. I doubt they have a few pieces left, but you can always go and check and see. You never know with Shein. Sometimes they restock too, but I wasn't gonna take that risk with this bag. When it said almost sold out, I was like, no, I have to go ahead and order. And I just had it sitting in my cart. So I'm really happy with this purchase, you guys, because I'm a big unique person. I like unique pieces. I don't like to kind of like go with the flow. I like to go against the grain. So for me, I like to purchase things and put pieces together that normally wouldn't see together, different colors, different styles. I consider myself to be a stylist. I said all that to say that. So if you guys haven't seen any of my videos or seen any of my pictures, go back and check those out as well. And I'm definitely going to start doing style, putting pieces together, so you guys can kind of get an idea. You know, different things you might have thought about appearing together, but you just never did it because you didn't feel that, I'm not going to say confident, I would say bold. Because for me, I can throw in something together and go out, and I'm thinking, oh my God, I shouldn't have wore this. It looks horrible. And I'll go out and I'll get the most compliments. Oh my God, I like your outfit. It's so cute. I like your pieces you put together. It's so cute. So, again, subscribe to my channel. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. Turn your notification bell on. If you like this video, go ahead and thumb this video up. Share it with your friends. And that's pretty much it of this video. Yeah, if you have anything that you want me to do, or have any sites, or have any clothes, or anything that you kind of hesitated, or any sites you kind of hesitated because you wasn't sure if it was legit, send it to me. Send it to the email address below. I'll check the site out, do my research, purchase. And a lot of these sites, if it's your first time, you can ask them for a free something, so that way you can kind of get a feel for the material. I wish I did that with Chick Me. I ordered from Chick Me twice, and both times I was disappointed. I think it was like one piece of outfit in there I probably liked and never even wore. Or I think it was like a shirt or something. I can't even remember. But that's for another video. I'm going to go, because I've been doing these hauls so long, and I know you guys are probably seeing these. You're not seeing these videos being uploaded in real time, obviously. But check out my videos. I'm going to start... I don't know if I believe I can date them. I don't see why I can't. Or you could probably go and see the published dates. I'll probably try to do it in the heading somewhere. But I'm going to start doing like Q&As and real life reviews, so I can kind of give my input. Now, my input is not Bible, so... and I am a thick girl. I'm not big, but I'm thick. Like, I'm very curvy. I do have a lot of weight to lose. Right now, I'm in a size 18. I'm trying to get back down to a 12. Really, I want to go back to an 8'10", but for me, I like the way my body is shaped. I've always had a butt, so, but I'm trying to get my midsection and definitely my arms, because my arms have, I don't know why, it's genetics. Like my family always gain weight in our arms. The women, we gain weight in our arms for some reason. It's just horrible. But when I begin to lose weight, it's like it comes like this. Like my head, my face shrinks, my feet get smaller, ankles get smaller, and then it goes like this. So I lose weight like, which is super weird. It's like I shrink from head, toe, and then meet somewhere in the middle, and then my butt is like, ah. So, not bragging, because baby, I tell my friends all the time, they're like, oh my God, you're so lucky to have such a nice butt. And I'm like, no. Like, it's always, we always want the opposite of what we have. For me, I've always wanted bigger breasts. I know you guys probably like, your breast is fine, but let me tell you something. I am in a B cup barely. So I know it kind of looks like it now because of the way I'm sitting. And this is actually a sports bra that I have on. So it's, I don't have big boobs at all. At all. If you see a full, you guys have seen any of my videos with my full body. Like, and I think I'm going to start doing like, clips of when I'm in the gym as well. I want to kind of get geared towards my weight loss journey and show you guys, you know, what I do in the gym and how I'm working out, getting that stuff together as well. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys, again, if you like it, go ahead and like it, share it, comment, whatever, good, bad, and different. We watch all comments around here, so it doesn't matter. Everybody has an opinion. I'm secured in myself, very secured. Trolling and bashing, I don't deal with that on this channel. This channel is about positivity and looking good, looking your best. We don't down people here. Now I will down some sites, because a lot of these sites will sell, these clothing sites will sell you anything, and that's my biggest goal for this particular site here, is to encourage women to look good, to feel your best, and to purchase your best. Your money is your money. I mean, you work hard for it, regardless of whether you have your own business or if you're working a job, if you're doing ride shares or whatever you're doing. Your money is your money. So when you purchase something, you want to feel good about it. You want to make sure that you're purchasing something that you can look back and say, oh my God, that's nice. I have a lot of clothes, a lot, and a lot of them I put pieces together. Some of them I want to throw away, some of them I'm going to sell, but a lot of them, for the most part, I keep because I know I can pair them with other pieces in the future. So with that being said, let me go ahead and end this video here. I am definitely over 10 minutes babbling, but again, if you like it, go ahead and thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Subscribe, y'all. And turn those notification bells on. Because, listen, you're not going to know when I post a video. I might post a video on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and won't post again until next Sunday. So, if you don't have your notification bell on, how are you going to know? You want to see the videos first. And also, if I'm showing you some pieces that's almost sold out and you like those pieces, you want to turn your notification bell on so you can go ahead and head to Shein and get those pieces before they sell out. Because you do not want to be left out in the cold wanting that handbag or that shirt and it's gone. But anyway, I digress. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Always remember to be awesome and do awesome things. And you guys have a wonderful day. This is a beautiful, although it's dreary, Saturday. But I just thank God for having another day here on earth. And I will talk to you beautiful people later. Bye.